Hey, this is Veera. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about journaling. Journaling, something which is highly underrated. Some people think that journaling means writing what happened to them all day long in a diary. But it's not that. Of course, writing your daily routine every day is not going to benefit you at all. So, what is it? This video is divided into two parts. The first part will tell you why should you write journal, and the second part will tell you how should you write journal. So I'm going to reveal to you what writing couple of pages daily can do to you. First of all, journaling brings self-discipline. How? In your journal, you write your daily progress, your plans, your goals, your ambitions, your challenges, your ideas, etc. Since you know that you have to make a record of your daily progress in your journal, you will want to do something productive each day. You will automatically start doing remarkably progressive each day because you know that at the end of the day you have to fill those pages and you don't want to feel ashamed that you haven't done something that is worth writing in your journal. Second thing is that journaling keeps you focused. How? In your journal, you write your goals and the plans to achieve that goal. When you write plans in your journal, they become burning desire. Write down each and every progress that you make towards your goal. Write down every baby step that you take. For example, for fitness goals, your plans are to eat healthy, wake up early, do yoga, quit smoking, etc. Write down each and every part that you accomplished today and also that you failed to accomplish today. This will keep you in track. Likewise, journaling also helps in making or breaking a habit. Journaling also helps you in taking better decisions. When you write your thoughts in a journal, they become clearer, and clarity in thoughts leads to better decision. Journaling relaxes you a lot. Some people write journal to pour out their feelings because they have no one to share with. Also, the people who overthink can lessen their burden by writing in a journal. It relaxes you a lot because you put all the garbage of your mind on a paper, letting yourself free to focus on other activities. It's good to read others' life experiences, but when you journal, you write your own life experiences, and no other lesson learned can be as great as you learned by your own life experience. By writing journal, you can track yourself. You can see that how much you have improved in a given time. And the most important benefit of journaling is that journaling improves your writing ability. Because when you write a journal, you try to organize your thoughts and you write them in an organized manner. Also, you choose that exact word to describe your feelings, emotions and desires. I'm sure that if you write journal continuously for 6 months, you will surely see improvement in your writing skills. So these were some of the benefits of journaling that I knew. If you know any other benefit of journaling, do tell me in the comment section. Now, let's move to the second part of this video. There is no specific rule of writing a journal. You can write it in your own way. There are different kinds of journal based on what you write. It may be a gratitude journal or a progress journal or a memory journal. But whatever you write the truth, no matter how bad it is. Don't try to picture yourself as a hero. Your journal is for improvement. Therefore, never overlook your faults and mistakes. Don't worry, that page is not going to judge you or comment upon you. It's just you with yourself. There are different kinds of journals available in the market. They are very expensive because they are highly decorated and they also look beautiful. But in my opinion, you should not buy them. A simple notebook will do. If you like decorations, you can do it on yourself because there is no rule and you can keep your journal the way you want. You can paste pictures or stickers, you can draw cartoons and color them. It's yours. Personalize it the way you want. But there is one thing that you have to keep in mind while writing a journal is that you have to be honest and authentic. Do not filter your thoughts while writing them. What you write in your journal depends on what kind of journal you write. For example, in memory journal, you store all your good memories. To make it better, you can describe the event in detail so that when you read it again, you get the feel that you are reliving that moment. You can also make your memory journal interesting by pasting a memento on that page. For example, today you visited your favorite singer's concert for the first time and you want to remember that event forever, and you have described the event in your journal. Also, you can paste the ticket or pass, whatever you used to enter the concert, in that journal. The another kind of journal that you can write is gratitude journal. In this kind of journal, you thank the people around you who helped you in living a better life today. This may seem to be useless for some people, but this is the most important type of journal that everybody should write. We all have heard someone around us saying, मेरी लाइफ में तो कुछ है ही नहीं, मेरे साथ तो कभी कुछ अच्छा होता ही नहीं है. For these kind of people, it becomes very important to write gratitude journal, because then only they realize that they have actually got too many things for which they should be grateful. Even if you have nothing in your life, at least you should be grateful to the Almighty for the food, air and water that you got today. Writing these kind of journal gives you positive vibes. One more and most important type of journal is progress journal, in which you write your ideas, ambitions, challenges and your daily progress. Write your plans in your journal. Write down exactly when and what to do. What things are more important. You can organize your plans using flowcharts, diagrams. Apart from these things, you can also list your small victories. And also you can write what you love about yourself. Another thing that you can do is to ask yourself questions like, am I satisfied with my today's work, or what have I learned from today's experience? What else can I do to improve myself further? Try asking quality questions to yourself so that you get quality answers. After all, this is how we improve. This kind of journal is very much important for students as they can organize their study. They can organize things like which chapters demands more time, which topics requires more practice, and they can also set targets like completing 5 chapters till the end of the week and so on. There is no specific time for writing a journal. You can write it any time of the day. Whenever you feel that your mind is flooded with thoughts, just go and put them down on a paper. If you get a new idea, write it down immediately. Never let any idea slip out of your mind. It's not even necessary that you write your journal every day. You can skip a day or two if you're writing progress journal. But if you're writing a memory journal, make sure you write only when something interesting has happened to you that you want to remember forever in your life. Because when you write memory journal every day, you'll end up writing your daily routine and the everyday tragedies that happen to you. Like, आज मैं स्कूटी से गिर गई, आज मेरे पीछे कुत्ता पड़ गया, और आज मेरे बालों में च्युइंगम चिपक गया. No, don't write these things. These things are useless. Write your journal in such a way that when you read it after some day, you get something valuable from it. Also, it's very important that you write your journal in a constructive manner. Don't write only negative thoughts and negative events that has happened to you in your past. Your journal should be focused on your improvement, your present and your future goals. Now last, a pro tip. Whenever you fail in any of your plan, write down each and everything about that. Write down exactly when and what went wrong. Write down what things you should have prioritized, what things you should have ignored. This will make you learn from your own mistakes, and in future, you won't repeat these mistakes. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also share this video with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.